That's a rough one. After seeing him do it, I don't want to do it, but I know I gotta do it because now he did it.
You got your lockers on? You said 10 minutes?
No.
Yeah, I didn't want to deal with putting my shoes, taking them off, and putting them back on. Oh, wasn't your thing turning on?
Mentally it is, because you know that I can't do something that you can't. You got the same truck with bigger tires.
Hey, passenger!
Like,
Yeah.
I want to make it look good for the camera. Let's gun it.
You know that part where it says if you have a stock vehicle?
It's a little rough. This is a little rough spot for sure. Yeah, there is actually a rock right there that's on his frame. Ooh. Stop, dude. Just give it a little bit of gas. But don't let your tires spin. And see what happens. You're just gonna have to park down here, man, I think. You gonna do it? Alright, I'll be up here filming you. We're the camera team. Like, she's like everything that a real dog is.
Yeah.
You know? So I don't know why.
I was going to tease you earlier. I was going to be like, dude, you need to get this dog out of her cage more. She's just loving it out here.
I mean, we've been doing this every week, though.
I know.
She's a spaz, man. she's a total spaz. We do this all the time.
Take it easy, girl.
Back, like,
What beautiful yeah, she does, though. She totally does it. It's just like she loves it just as much as everybody else does. Lily, I don't think you can make that. This way, hey. Lily, this way. Hey, Jake. You scared? That's a little scary, I know. Let's go over. Slow. Slow. Go this way.
I'll get a cool one of these starting up there and then just walk with Lily, like just down. I'll just film you guys walking down. That would be really cool.
Yeah. He's got it in slow-mo. He's gonna be walking down with Lily.
You gotta get you a dog who does cool stuff like this. They're one of those little prissy dogs that just want to quit when it gets rough. Lily's got no quit in her. Heading up Mineral Creek. We're only gonna be doing like a quarter of the trail because it's gonna cut off into Phoughkeepsie Gulch. So a little bit of Mineral Creek, and then we'll be hitting the main trail for this day. it's tricky trying to time this trip with the fall colors because all these trails go up really high in elevation, and as the leaves are starting to change is also kind of the exact time that it starts to snow up in higher elevation. So, you know, if you wait too long, you might end up not even be able to do half these trails. But if you go too early, the leaves won't really be fully changed yet. So you really only have like a 1 to 2 week window where you can actually see the leaves and do all these high elevation mountain passes. There's like a obstacle or an optional obstacle up here we might try. Hey, Lily doesn't smell as bad anymore because she's dry now. Rock. Yeah, rock looks a little sharp.
I'll approach it and see what happens.
You gonna do it?
Yep.
All right, I'll be up here filming you. Okay. You and me tag teaming camera duty, huh? Good. Oh, little tire pop.
I made that look easy.
Hey, you want to film? Keep his camera.
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah.
Still on.
Or you get mine now and I'll come up.
Okay. All right, time for the stock Tacoma. Watch out. No, dude. There's no way I'd clear that.
What was that noise? Was my tire wrap scraping on something?
It's just spinning. Squealing.
Squealing.
Rock.
Yeah, I'm ready. What line you think you're gonna take, Jake?
Come around like this.
Yeah.
Go left side of this.
Yeah, I think that's the right way. Hey guys, it's me here. It's 3 a.m. in the morning and I'm working on this video right now. So if you guys like this video or this stuff inspires you to go out and have your own adventures, please consider leaving a like or a comment or even subscribing. It really helps support the channel, so I appreciate it. Engineer Mountain, Phoughkeepsie Gulch. So what we were just doing was Mineral Creek, like a section of it, and then I think it continues down this way to Mineral Point. So majestic. Just got done hanging out at this waterfall up here, dipped my head in the water. Weston only has 33-inch tires, keep that in mind. So he's got 33-inch tires, 2-inch lifts.
All right, right there, and then straighten it out. Your driver's side front's gonna dip pretty heavy in just about a second.
I think he needs to turn, man.
Turn to the left a little bit. Yeah, right there. And then ride it in.
Left, a little more left. All right, straight.
You're gonna dip hardcore on your driver's side now. This is the point where it's gonna drop. But you're on the ground right now for your passenger.
It's gonna hit your rock slider pretty hard. Be all right though.
Nice.
Oh, it didn't, dude. It didn't.
You're on now. Now turn a little bit to the left. You were running.
No, keep it his your back tire is gonna drop heavy.
But this one's caught. He's balanced on this one now. He's on flat. So you're good?
Your back side's gonna drop bad. Oh, you're good, dude. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Roll straight on it, exactly how you want.
Look at that little tire there.
You're gonna go all perfect.
Dude, it worked out perfectly because this tire was in the air, but your other tire kept you from dropping down really hard. And this tire was just dangling. Put me on the same line.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Right there.
Right there.
Shit.
Yeah. Yep. Ease off. Boom.
Nice.
Yeah. And just aim for this. Don't cut too hard. Go that way a little bit. Don't want your back under it or slide down.
Okay, your right tire's caught now.
There you go. Yeah. Now just take your tire on that one. Just on it. Yep. Slow, but up. There you go. Yeah, it could have been actually.
It's a cool video. Do you rap? Alright, I'm gonna need like a lot of coaching. I wanna go down that way. You think I can?
No. Or in space.
I don't mind
I
if the
mean-
sliders run it.
I don't.
I feel like it's gonna be sliders for sure.
Or in
I mean, the
space.
Toyota's got everything else tucked up pretty well.
Because there's nothing in the center.
I don't want to talk you into a bad decision.
Well, that's what I'm asking. You guys just did it.
If that
So you
were
ha- you have
so,
two
if it
inches-
were me and that was my truck, I would probably skip this.
Because you have
But that's just me.
33s. I have 31s.
Well, you have no lift. He has 33s and a 2-inch lift.
It's true.
I think if I drive fast enough, I'll just clear the whole thing.
Up to you, man. I mean, I can always come back around and pull you back out or something.
Or pull him through.
Pull him through. You don't have any
I mean-
skid plates underneath, do you?
No.
Yeah. You don't have skid plates underneath. I don't think I would do this.
Let me approach it and you guys tell me if it looks like I'll have clearance or not.
You won't be able to tell until you're on it.
On it. It's going to be like too late.
Next time.
I didn't think I would be able to do it until I saw like you went and I was like, oh.
Oh, you saw.
And then I saw you went and I was like,
You think your
oh.
truck's going to look the same as ours, how we were going through?
I just think my rock sliders are going to just be sliding the
You're
truck
just gonna
down until I
slide
hit
off
the
the rock
base.
sliders.
That's what I was thinking. But I wasn't like the undercarriage.
I mean, was my undercarriage close to hitting anything? Then, I mean, that's a good sign.
I was worried about your bumper.
Coming off the back.
Bumpers aren't a big deal, though.
Mine's already messed up.
We got a long ways to go. I'll just go around. One day in December, whenever got all the everything, I'll do it.
Plenty of other trails.
I know.
It's your daily.
to
It's your
ride
daily
another day.
driver too, man. You got to drive back home. Hey Weston, why don't you try going all the way left and have your right tire on the edge there, and your left tire right there.
And straddle this,
Yeah,
like drop.
yeah, just straddle right here. What do you think about that?
I don't like it tippy.
You think it's that tippy?
I think that if I swing it as tight as I can to the right
Yeah.
and then swing it back, I should be able to clear it.
All right.
Oh, wasn't your thing turning on? Hey, your thing's not turning on real quick. That's a good touch.
You need it more, go this. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, you're good now.
Gotta swing yourself around.
And then you came out this way.
Yeah. So cut. Yeah, just a little bit. Come up and straighten out. Straight. Yeah, just go straight. You just got a little rock.
Chee-hoo!
Thanks for filming, bro.
Yeah, dude, that's good.
You know, I appreciate what you do. Gotta make sure I let you know sometimes. So
I'm
you,
gonna bump that high.
nah, I would go with Weston's.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is the thing, is you were like, Weston, you were about to cut on the top of this rock, and I was like, that's a sketchy one.
If
Yeah,
I get in
you
here
just
though,
gotta
am I
miss
gonna get
it.
trapped
Yeah.
or no?
No, I think you're good.
Okay. Alright,
Yeah,
I mean,
if you'll have a tire there. Try to drive it some more.
Yep. Perfect.
Yep. Keep following that.
Hey, this way, this way.
Driver.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
Yep. And then keep coming. Yeah. Stretch this way a little bit. Keep it. All right, now straighten up. Straighten up. This way just a little. Yeah. Follow that right there. Yeah.
I think that's probably one of the bigger obstacles I've done.
A little harder, because
Yeah.
you got to get it just right. Like you can see the wall up there. And then this is the bypass. So I guess we could go up there and see what happens. Jake will probably have to come back here regardless.
Yeah. I mean, does it meet very far up? Could he go ahead and like go that way to get to the top and then just
No
watch us
idea.
go up?
No idea. It's a significant bypass. Like it's not. It's
Oh,
like a
it is.
significant
Yeah,
route.
right.
Yeah, around.
All stock vehicles, ATVs take bypass. Roger that. Recommend high clearance 4-wheel drives and lockers.
You can see the wall up there. There's people are
Which
trying
one's the
to.
wall? At that
Looks,
way
looks
up
like
there?
a huge rock. Yeah.
Oh, is that it over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, you could come up with
Yeah,
this,
I'll just
and then
follow
we
you
can
guys.
just come back,
Yeah.
see what
I'm
happens.
feeling froggy, dude.
You're not gonna try.
Well, you gotta go
You could bump up onto it if you want. See what happens. It's a little rough. This is a little rough spot for sure. So we thought that Jake would be able to drive up to the base of the wall with us, just so that he could kind of observe us going up the obstacle. But it turns out there's actually kind of two decent obstacles on the way to the wall. He was able to get over one of them, and I didn't film that one, but he wasn't, well, you'll find out. He's on the second one right now, so. What is he hung up on? Nothing?
Nothing. He's just losing traction. So that crawl control will use the computers to sense which wheels slip in, and it kind of acts as like a locker by breaking the spinning wheel.
Yeah. He's not moving at all.
Yeah.
You can't see what you're doing, the sun's right behind.
I said just stop. Make sure he's not hung up on anything. Yeah, there is actually a rock right there that's on his frame.
Oh, he is. So yeah, you'll have to back up and
You gotta go a little bit more to the right and come up that way.
I think
Get
you
a
can
different
back up a
line.
little bit, but you have a rock that's on your iron frame, like nothing bad, it's just on the frame. I can smell your rubber burning, so be careful. Ooh. Stop, dude. It's just not.
I'll go back there.
Now, well, it's gonna be hard for you to back up now. It's fucking weird.
Yeah, your tail end's kind of swung into that rock. Just take it easy. If I can get over there.
Here, turn your tire all the way right,
Yeah, right.
or the other way, this way, driver. You have your rear locker on?
Yeah.
I like your side. Now try to come up.
Straight?
Yeah. See what happens.
Alright, here we go.
There you go. Stop. This is really too hard for this truck.
So on some of those spots, like, I mean, obviously that one was tricky, but like, just give it.
Or it's just standing there, my truck's like, wow!
Alright, let me get up here, man.
I think you need to hit left a little bit
Yeah.
on this.
Okay.
You got a big rock right here in front of
Yeah,
you.
you'll want to cut driver for sure.
Not your slider, but your little pan. Dude, hold on, dude. He
Hold
needs
on.
to go more right. Or driver. He's about to
Yeah.
run onto this.
Yeah.
Here, back up a little bit. Back up straight.
Yeah.
Straighten the wheel. Straighten the wheel.
There you go.
Right there. Back up a little.
More?
Just a little bit more. A little bit more.
Now cut driver, hard driver.
Yeah, cut hard driver. And we're gonna try to get you up on that rock, and then you'll straighten out as soon as you're on top of it.
So should I straight for here? Is where my tires are at now. Is this good or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just slow though.
Ease it.
Yep.
Yep. Now straighten out, and just ease it, because you're super close to that rock, obviously. Can you see how close it is?
Yeah, I can see.
Still straight?
Now cut driver slightly.
I feel like he's good on this straight, because if he cuts driver too much, he's gonna hit that rock.
Yeah. All right, just go. You
Straighten it out or keep my tires where they're at?
straight, right where they are now.
Right there.
They're straight.
Nope. Dude, I don't know. I think he's gonna. If he keeps spinning out like that, he's just gonna keep sliding into it.
I don't know, man. I think maybe we give it one more go, and then what? We try to back him all the way back down,
At least
because
do
he
the
can't
slide.
straddle that rock. He
Yeah,
can't
he
go
doesn't
into.
have
He
the
can't keep it in the middle.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This one's kind of tricky because I don't want him.
I think we
Yeah,
try it
his
one more
body.
time, see what happens, and then we have him go back down. But it's hard. It's going to be hard backing up. Well, it won't be hard backing up. He'll have plenty of traction. I think, dude. I think you go. Keep your tires kind of like a little more. A little more passenger. A little more. All right. Just a little bit. Let's see what happens. A little bit. If you hear your tires spinning, stop the throttle.
Yeah, don't let your tires spin. I don't know, man. I'm pretty nervous about him hitting.
You think he needs to go straight?
I think he needs to back off and come at it again if we're gonna try this angle. I mean,
Here, make your tires straight. I think you could just give it a little bit of gas, but don't let your tires spin, and see what happens. Yeah, they're gonna spin.
yeah.
All right, I think you should back up.
Yeah.
You want to try to spot
I mean,
him.
unless you want to like scrape your body up pretty good.
Well, no, if you scrape your body, you'll get stuck on that rock. Like, it'll make it harder.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go. Here, you want to watch his right side?
Yeah. Don't go. Maybe cut driver just a little bit.
He's got plenty on this side.
Yeah, just straighten it back. Yeah, right there. Yep.
You're just gonna have to park down here, man, I think. Huh? I think you should just park down here somewhere. All right, here he goes. 33-inch tires, 2-inch left. He's got front and rear lockers. He's got a winch too, but hopefully he doesn't need it because I don't have a winch.
I'm there down to about 22 psi.
22 psi. I think you should go more, but we'll see. Stuff's already scraping on that one.
What's that?
Your stuff was already scraping. Stuff was already scraping on that one.
Right there, perfect. That passenger. Passenger. Not that much, a little less. Right there. You just want to get on the wall and then you'll go straighten out right after you get up. Now straighten it. Yep. Ride it straight. You're good. Solid line, solid line. You're good. Just ride it through.
Pedals all the way down.
All right, back. Are you slowly back it up? You might need to get more momentum.
Yeah.
Make sure you got it in manual. Make sure it's in first gear.
And you're on the line. You're on a perfect line.
Keep it going, man. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Yep. Keep going.
Pedals all the way down.
All right.
You're gonna.
Back down. Back down. All right. I think this is where you have some power, so you might need to like. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. There you go. There you go. Well, that's a good look. Keep going. You're good. You're good on that line.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine.
Yeah, straight. There you go.
And then just ride it all the way through. Yeah, you're good. You want it on top. Now let's go, baby! Woo!
How do you feel about it?
I feel good. After watching you do it too, it's gonna be easier for me, or it should be.
Hey, passenger! Passenger!
Ouch. It was your shock mount and your diff.
Well, I wasn't counting it, but I wasn't leaving.
You hit that when you had already made it to the top, and you were still flooring it.
Definitely the shock mount, but I think you may have scraped your diff too, the bottom of your
You
diff.
scraped your spare tire, so I'm assuming maybe I did.
You might have.
It was slight.
We've got very different.
I was more
like,
worried about getting run over.
We've got very different like approaches.
Yeah.
I'm very easy, and he's like,
Yeah.
I want to make it look good for the camera. Let's gun it. It's not.
It didn't feel like I was gunning it. I felt like I was just
Dude,
going.
you would just hang out here, dude.
I mean, we're gonna go up this and hang out at the lake.
Give me a ride in your tailgate.
No, you could come with us and we could just give you a ride back down to your truck and then come back. Yeah, let's do that.
Stock.
Drink,
Full gas.
Yeah.
take a break for drinks.
For all the hard work we put in.
This is like one of the obstacles for this.
For this
Look,
region.
They have a
Thank you.
winch point here too, so I'm assuming this is like a very like tippy it goes. Once you come up like on the
Part where it says if you have a stock vehicle, don't go right.
yeah, it's
It links back.
if we can get all the way back to there to get your vehicle.
No, what I'm saying is I'll go to my vehicle, I'll drive to the link back point, and then wherever it links up. Is that what it's saying?
With
Mhm.
the lake.
Yeah.
You'll see it on OnX too.
Yeah, do you have did you download the map though?
No, but I have it. It shows like.
It's
where-
showing it?
Yeah.
It's still going.
So Jake goes back and takes the bypass while me and Weston head up the main route. And it actually turns out there's quite a few challenging obstacles up this way before we get to the lake. I mean, you had it. Come up, keep coming. Keep coming. All right. Keep your tires straight. Straight, more straight. More driver. I mean passenger. Yeah. Back up slightly. Right there. Now you're gonna have to give it a little more power. There it is. Keep going. There you go, bud, there you go. Jeez. That's a rough one. After seeing him do it, I don't want to do it, but I know I gotta do it because now he did it.
I think you're gonna have to get a little bit further that way, because that's what I did the very first time too. Like, just try to swing your whole body. Yeah, driver. Go into it a little bit, and then you'll cut passenger. Yeah, now cut. This way. Yep. Keep coming. You're almost there. Yeah, keep coming. You got your lockers on? Yeah. What's that? So straighten up a little. Straight. There you go. Boom.
My rear locker on.
Oh.
That first section.
And then once you turned it on.
I smell a rubber burning.
Yeah.
Jeez. It's harder.
Do the cold plunge. Huberman Lab.
Just your boxers?
Yeah.
I don't.
Why? Because there's like, you can walk out farther.
Warms up during the day, but as soon as that sun drops, it gets pretty cold.
Going in with
I have a lot of shoes. It's not bad. $5.30.
5:30. And you got in at about the 5-second mark, so. You said 10 minutes?
No,
2.
it's so rocky and like
Pretty soon they'll numb up and you can't feel those rocks. You guys do this regular, but if not, I'm pretty impressed. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that's 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't blame you, dude. It's not easy. Well, you've earned your Viking tattoo.
Think you're drinking a Viking beer.
Your Icelandic beer.
Exactly.
Yeah, dude. I will say it's probably one of the prettier places to take a cold plunge. I mean, any Alpine lake, really, but like.
There's the window open. Now the car's gonna be cold.
If it wasn't windy, it'd be a totally different story.
You're sitting on a blanket now. That's like my truck. Just turn it off, I guess. Yeah, it's called like the Frisco Mine. This thing building is huge. Like, look at this thing, these huge logs. They're just good like towers up there. Oh, I do see the crows. Swimming Pass, part of the Alpine Loop. Great views. Truck's always looking good. Doing something over there. The sign's all faded. Needs to be replaced. Land above the trees. That truck looks so majestic.